factory as one of the Playmax figures.
Oh,
You
really?
know how we got the girly figures, which are 3D scanned?
He's angry.
He's a samurai
Oh.
from the Kamakura period.
Yep.
Okay, so these samurais, this is one of the early samurai type armor designs. They've got the very big shoulder pads, and as it progressed into the 16th century, they started getting tighter and body hugging.
Looks like he's got beer kegs on his helmet.
So they were folded around so that when arrows came, it would deflect them and also deflect sword strikes. But this is from Max Factory. It's one of the Playmax figures.
Oh,
You
really?
know how we got the girly figures, which are 3D scanned? This is a 3D scanned dude wearing armor. So it's got really natural flow to it. Looks really good. That was amazing. Let's look at it from the top, eh?
Let's go to Top Town. I do love the box art. He
So
does look angry.
That's an illustration, but on the back, there's actual pictures of the model.
Why has he got furry shoes on? Slippers. Is he ready for bed?
No, bearskin.
Bearskin?
Yep. Because, believe it or not, they used to wear woven hay sandals all year. And that's the only way they got a little bit of warmth in the winter.
Didn't have socks. So
socks.
They just put that over their thongs. Is that what you're saying?
That's right. That's right. And they used to wear out as they marched. And they used to repair them and then
no different to putting just a sock over your thong. Just put your thong and put a sock. Off you go.
Same sort of thing.
You're gonna wear the bottom out.
It's probably a little bit warmer. Okay, so they had iron for the shin guards. And then all this is the plate. I guess it's Japanese plate armor, you call it.
Yeah.
It's not really big plate like European style. But these were developed with lacquered surfaces as well, and also with leather incorporated. So, I mean, these are very sharp swords.
Yep.
And they deflected stabbing and also slicing motions.
Well, that's what you want in the heat of the battle.
Yeah.
Last thing you do is want your arm chopped off.
And then you've got all this detail here for the knot. So this is the agamaki knot, they called it. The whole idea is, you see how it's supporting the shoulder armor, and then also the back. It's so that when he moves around, it didn't fold in front of him and get in the way. It always got held back. It limited its movement.
Like a puppet.
Like a puppet. Yeah, that's right. And then he's got all his back protection there around the back of the helmet too.
You are a wealth of knowledge.
How cool is it?
Pretty
How
cool.
natural does it look? So this is 1/20th scale. 3D scanned.
Yep. 3D scanned.
So it comes in 3 different colors. So to get that sort of effect, you really need to paint it up. So that's what you get.
Oh, there's 3 sprues.
Yep.
Did we call them sprues when they're resin?
Well, it's not resin. It is injection molded.
Oh, it is injection molded.
Yeah.
Oh.
How cool is it? I really like that. That's cool. He does some really good stuff.
Fantastic. All right, go to the front one.
Yep.
I'll put that one away.
All right.
Oh, what else have we got?
All right. What are we going to move on to now? Some of my favorite stuff. Machining Krieger. This is the Melzane.
Oh.
Or some people would pronounce it Melzine.
Melzine?
Yeah. The Japanese pronounce it Melzane.
Melzane.
Yeah. So this is an armored man suit out of the Machining Krieger world that was developed by Kawayakiyama.
Or lady.
Okay.
Or lady.
Or lady. This one actually has a female head included, which is
Does
new.
it?
So
because a lot of these models that I've seen, a lot of them have ladies.
Yes. I do.
And I think it's just an excuse so you can model a lady that wears little clothing. Maybe sometimes none.
That's a good excuse, I reckon.
Yeah.
So that's a new head that's been incorporated in this kit.
Yep.
So these kits have been around actually. Yes, it has been around before. It's been reboxed and modified. So originally they would have been Nitto, and then they've been modified by Wave. And so these are the Wave editions.
So is this a collector box?
Yes.
Yep.
So every Machining Krieger comes with new artwork by Kawayakiyama. It's got his seal of licensing just there. You might be able to see the reflection there. And then he signs them down here. So you can see it's Cal 2022. And this is part of the 40th anniversary because this year is the 40th anniversary of Machining Krieger.
Wow. Really?
It's been around for a long time. And it's only now that it's become available readily again. So you probably get 3 to 4.
Thanks to Hearns for flying the flag.
That's it. You get 3 to 4 releases every year now, which is great.
So that would just about keep you busy modeling.
Yeah, for sure.
If you just did Machining Krieger, that would be enough.
Absolutely. So really cool. Really heavy armor.
Are you going to do one of these before or after your pig tank?
I think Pig Tank has to come first.
Is it?
Yep.
Otherwise, I won't stop talking about it.
No, you always get to remind me about it.
That's right.
What have we got here?
Not sure. What have we got here?
This is from the 5-Star Stories.
Is it?
An animation which the aesthetic is very medieval European. It's quite elaborate
does
looking.
not look medieval European. Is that a lady? Does she come with it?
I'm talking about the mechs.
Oh, the mechs.
Yeah.
So what are you building, the lady or the mechs?
The mech.
Oh yeah, I can see here. Let's
Yeah.
go to here. Oh, well, let's just.
So that's what you're building.
Wow, he's gold.
Yep. And he's got a big bow.
Wow, that is a big bow.
So it's a mix of really old aesthetic, old weaponry, with modern, I guess, robotics.
He's got quite a long ponytail.
He has.
I imagine that
It's
wouldn't
quite
be
elaborate, isn't
I
it?
imagine that wouldn't be very good in the heat of the battle.
No, you can flick him around and like strangle someone.
Or just trip over.
Well, that's a negative, isn't it?
Well,
But
Is it
have a
gold?
quick look.
it's not gold.
It's yellow.
Yellow, or I'm calling it orange.
Are you?
I'm calling it
It's
orange.
dark yellow.
Yeah, it's orange.
Okay. But it's easy enough to get a sort of chrome finish now. You do a chrome, a silver chrome, and then use some clear yellow over the top or clear orange, and get that really deep finish.
We'll just get the rattle can of gold.
Yeah, you could do that. Yeah. Won't be as reflective.
But don't ask me. Because I wouldn't know what I'm talking about when it comes to modeling.
There you go. 5-Star Stories. This sort of stuff is hard to come by.
Yeah?
Yeah. 5-Star
Super
Stories
rare?
stuff. Yeah, not easy. Here we got something that'll excite some of the youngins, I think.
So can I say that we're the only people in Australia to have this?
I reckon.
I can say that?
Well, you can say that.
Hmm.
Don't know if it's
I'm
true.
saying it. We're the only place in Australia where you're going to find this stuff at the minute.
So this is from the Near computer game.
Near computer game.
Yeah. So this is produced by Square Enix. That produced the game as well. And this is what is this? This is what they call the HO229, which is the flying wing was known as the HO229. Doesn't look like a flying wing though.
Is it a game that you've played or something?
No.
How do you know all this?
I don't know. Just comes to me. I reckon. Should we go overhead now?
Yeah? Get in there.
Let's focus it, I think.
So what have we got? What am I looking at here?
Okay, so you got the one of the characters from the game.
Yeah,
So you got the figure, so fully posable figure.
So that comes in here.
Yes, as well as this mech, I guess. And he sits on the inside there.
Holy moly.
So this will be huge, hence a huge box.
I was going to say, that is a big box.
How good does it look?
That's pretty good.
So this is one of the most popular computer games of
Really?
all time. You see how he's sitting in there? How good is it?
Wow. And his legs are the legs. Is it? Or they're
His
like,
legs are the legs.
I'm not sure what his legs
Yeah,
are.
it would be.
He's got a big sticky thing.
Big sticky thing.
That looks angry.
That's cool, isn't it? How good is it?
I like it.
You like it?
I like it.
I like it too. All right, so what else we got?
Oh my God. How
What do you
much?
What do you think of this?
I don't know what to think of it. It has a Willy's mode.
A what?
A Willy's mode.
Does not.
No. It has a Willy's mode.
Oh, it has two.
Has a Willy's mode, a normal mode, and a Batwing mode.
So these figure kits are really popular. Again, it's similar to the Bandai 30-minute sisters, but just a lot more elaborate. There's a lot more parts.
Yeah.
And similar to the Kotobukiya frame arm girls as well.
Isn't
so
it?
this is from the Kotobukiya.
It is from the Kotobukiya, isn't it?
Yeah. So you'd be using similar ideas. But this one's quite elaborate. It's got the wings.
Can I call her Lumity?
You know, I guess you can because that's what's written on it, right?
Is it? I just don't know how to pronounce it, and I'm scared that people are going to...
Have you ever look at the side of the box?
Right.
Yeah?
I nearly fainted then.
Did you?
Yeah.
Why?
Well, I
Which bit?
didn't know what you meant.
Look at that. How good does it
The
look?
wings on it.
Yep. So they're articulated too. You can see the joints.
And she comes with all different faces.
Yep. Look at that.
Happy. Oh, look. I'm surprised.
Yay.
I'm even more surprised.
Oh.
I think.
And I'm really happy.
And laughing.
Yep.
She seems like a happy young lady.
Yep. What about the other side?
This side? Well, that's a bit full on.
I know the other side.
Oh, this side.
So that gives you a better idea of the sort of poses you can do. How about we just?
So this is the
That's a fully optioned
See?
with all the wings and everything.
Willie's mode.
Oh yeah, this do.
Gonna pull out a bit. Here we go.
How's
So
that?
got the Willie's mode,
Yep.
the normal mode.
So,
So-
had you got little wings there?
Yeah, they're like little wings.
Yep.
And these wings are in full flight.
Yep.
And then you can have like full flight and armor. Or she can just be sitting around the house watching TV or eating breakfast.
Eating
Or
breakfast.
jumping for joy. Well, it looks like
Yep.
that. Which is yum, 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 eating breakfast.
Yum yum. Look
And
at that.
Da, da, da.
Full wing.
Ha, ha, ha.
Is that what a gun sounds
No,
like?
that's like the sound of like, I don't know. You know, like an
Like what?
angelic noise.
Is that anti?
Ha, ha, ha.
I see.
No?
Okay, fair enough then. There you go,
She's got-
lunacy.
She's got doves. No teddy bears.
Yep, it's cool.